Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your Filipino language with Lingoda step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current level of Filipino language proficiency. Identify your specific goals for learning Filipino. Decide whether you want to focus on conversational skills or formal language. Visit the Lingoda website to explore their Filipino language courses. Review the course offerings to find a suitable fit for your goals. Create an account on the Lingoda platform. Fill out the registration form with your personal information. Choose a subscription plan that meets your learning needs. Select a course that aligns with your proficiency level. Familiarize yourself with the Lingoda user interface. Browse the schedule for available classes and teachers. Select class times that suit your availability. Join a class and prepare to engage actively with the instructor. Utilize Lingoda's resources, such as flashcards and exercises, for additional practice. Practice speaking with native Filipino speakers through Lingoda's conversation practice sessions. Engage in consistent practice outside of class, using language learning apps. Immerse yourself in Filipino by listening to music or watching films. Participate in community forums or groups focused on learning Filipino. Track your progress regularly to stay motivated and adjust your learning plan as needed. Set goals for each week to guide your study sessions. Review past lessons to reinforce your knowledge and understanding. Seek feedback from teachers to improve your speaking and writing skills. Make use of Lingoda's material to deepen your understanding of Filipino culture. Stay committed to your language learning journey and be patient with yourself. Celebrate small victories to maintain motivation throughout the learning process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.